This dance is Push, choreographed by Michelle Perron. It's a 32 count for wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, step, lock, step, touch left, forward, side, back, bend knees and swivel a quarter left, a quarter right, half left, keeping weight on right. Section 2, step forward on left, triple forward, right, left, right, forward mambo, back mambo, kick left, forward. Section 3, cross, make a quarter turn, left, back and cross, side, behind, side, cross, big step to the left, kick right to right side as you lean to left. Last section, side together, side, quarter right, half right, quarter right, touch. I'm now facing 3 o'clock, the weight's on my left and I start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.